Welcome back to Photoshop High Creative. In this video, I'll be sharing an amazing Photoshop plugin called the FR2. Don't forget, this is Pixel Retouch Academy. Okay, so now this plugin lets you retouch skin like a pro in under 10 seconds. Like I said, 10 seconds or lesser than 10 seconds. It is lightweight, fast, and perfect for photographers and editors who want high-end results without spending hours of retouching time. Okay, so I use this to get results from this to this. So I'm going to show you how this plugin work in this video, and also how you can use the plugin and how it can actually help you speed up your workflow and upgrade your workflow. Okay, so description below, and you're going to see that the download link is there. It is completely free, but here's the deal: the password to open the free download file is hidden somewhere in this video, so make sure you watch closely to get the password. All right, so like I said, no harmful files, no hard, nothing sketchy, just a great tool to upgrade your workflow. So let's dive right into the tutorial. Let me bring out the plugin for you. So here's the plugin, FR2. That's the name of the plugin. So it's an add-on. Now inside of the plugin, you're going to see the stats and zoom. This is when you set all your sliders, and then you just click start and it's going to start retouching it for you. The retouch control means the amount of retouch you want this plugin to retouch. The texture control shows how you want the texture to disappear or appear, or how you want to retain the texture. And edit surface, blur, show marks, all of these are later on. You can do that, but right now you can leave it an initial value. It's going to give you a great job anyway. So dodging and burn, you can turn it off if you have high dodge, high contrast already in your image, so you don't have to use this. But for this one, I'm going to use it because I need more texture. I need it to pop up more, so I can increase the opacity of the dodge and burn, and then the blurs I can take it backwards or just leave it at 50. Sometimes I leave everything at 50. The contours, I'm going to increase it, so because I want more contours and I want a very smooth retouch and final retouch. So right now this is what we're going to have once you set it. Now don't forget the retouch control, you need to take it off. So all you just need to do is to click on start, and once you click on start, it's going to retouch everything for you. Now once you retouch everything for you, if you press close, it's going to leave it the retouching folder, like the way the group is right here. Is going to retouch, leave it for you so that you can amend whatever you want to amend. Maybe you want to increase the texture or all of that, or you can click finish or plus black and white marks, and then it's actually going to show you just the what's it called now. It's just going to give you a stamp visible layer for the retouch, and then you can adjust only the opacity. So we're going to try all of that now, but before that, let me delete the group. Okay, so let me close it, and you can see that this is what we have right from this to this. So I'm going to show you now. So let's delete this one, delete, and now we can work on this one. So let's bring out the plugin again. So here's our plugin again, so which is the FR2 plugin. Now like I said, set the slider. I'm going to set it up, and set. Okay, so just set and set. Now I increase this. Let's leave it. Let's increase more of the contour, and now we're going to click on start. I want more texture, so just click on start and see the final result. So start is going to take 10 seconds, 1 2 3, and it's going to do all of this retouching for you and all of that. Okay, so now it's done, and we can look at what it created. Fast retouch 2 method, and we can just close this one. And once we do that, we can come here and click our brush tool, and we can start cleaning. Sure, the foreground color is this, and you can change the opacity in case you want a little bit. So once you start cleaning, and it's going to keep showing. So let's zoom in and keep on adjusting what we see. So I can even increase the brush and make it more visible as fast as I want. So that's how it works. It's fast. Okay, so it's actually going to work. If you don't want the background to also show, you can just do that, and you can check. These are all the things what it's retouched for us. So let's see, let's continue, and this is what we have in our image. So just look at this great tool, very good for your workflow. Sometimes it even retouch the hair, you can see. So if you want the background attached to it, it's up to you. Now I'm just gonna click on all of that and just take a look at what it did for us. So you can see how amazing the work is. So let's see our before and after. So if you don't have this FR2 plugin, come on, it's a go-to to have. It's just all these, maintain all of that, and it's actually going to give you the result you want. So like I said, if you click on finish, it's going to create a stem visible layer. If you click on close, it's going to create that for you. So I'm just going to click close. You can actually reach out, you'll get it online for your work. So see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. Thank you.